Hello and welcome to our Teams tutorial. In this video, we will be covering the Notebook section of Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams has a really useful function called Notebook. And as a quick refresher, Teams can have multiple channels, and every channel has its own notebook. The notebook is a communal space that everybody in the team can write notes in. Think of it as a whiteboard or a Google Doc multiple people can edit. It's a great place to do collaborative work or to keep records of something that your whole team will need to access. You can organize your notebook into different sections and subsections. To navigate between the tabs in the notebook, simply click on each section to see its contents. You can preview the pages, and when you are ready to make edits, click on the page itself and you'll be brought inside the notebook. Once you're done, click on this button to go back. One way the notebook is very useful is for documents that you and your team will be continually adding to and editing. So let's say I wanted to keep a record of newspaper advertising rates. I can create a special section for it and subsections for individual papers. Now I and anybody else on my team can access this information at any time. Also, other people can add to it. So if a colleague knows the rates of a paper that aren't on this list, they can add it themselves, and now the whole team will know. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.